Today we're going to talk about the ready-to-wear setting on your washer-dryer combo machines. So the ready-to-wear setting is a really cool setting that is perfect to have if you're in a pinch. Now, essentially what this setting does is that it's going to run a quick wash cycle on your washer. This is one of the fastest way that you can wash your clothes. However, it's not very effective if you have very soiled garments. Also, it's not perfect for delicates. After that is done, what's going to happen is that your dryer is going to dry up the clothes as fast as possible. Now, to dry up the clothes as fast as possible and to wash them this fast, there is a capacity on how many clothes you can generally put into this setting. Usually you'll find that nothing more than 1 to 2 kilos, that will be too much. It's perfect if, for example, if you're going to an outing or something and you just need those specific clothes to be ready in let's say about 45 minutes, can be even shorter on some models. But yeah, I will say though that you should not use this setting on anything that is more than lightly soiled, as the quick wash, it's not effective, it's too fast, like it runs through all the little parts of the washing cycle very quickly. Since it isn't the most delicate setting, I wouldn't use this on any delicate garments or anything that's prone to shrinking, color bleeding. That will include anything with embroideries, embellishment, delicate thin garments. Think your lace underwear, for example. Don't put that into this. Neither wool or silk, or I would even say synthetics. You can try synthetics, especially synthetic blends should probably be okay putting into this. But like always, you want to check the little labels on the garments before you toss them into this setting. And definitely, if the clothes have any stains, don't use this cycle. It's just going to make the stain set even more, and it's certainly not going to remove them. So only lightly soiled clothes, skip over anything medium or heavily soiled for this, as it's not strong enough. I will say that this is a pretty eco and economically friendly setting for what it is, right? It is just a little bit of clothes. Like if you use another cycle like the regular cycle, you can generally fit a lot more clothes in there. So it kind of makes up for the increased usage of resources. Now this is a quick cycle that doesn't use too hot temperatures. Therefore, it becomes pretty eco-friendly. I will say also, now that I think about it, you should not use too much detergent in this setting. I would say cut it down to about 1/4 of what you would generally use, because the washer simply doesn't have time to run through all these stages at the normal time, since it does everything so quickly, right? So if you do put too much detergent, you are going to end up with detergent residue on your garments, and they will not be ready to wear when you take them out in that case. Now it is a pretty cool setting. I have made a bunch more videos on other settings that you can check out in my big playlist here. I've also created a cheat sheet that you can download down in the video description, or you can go to organizing.tv/cheat sheet. This cheat sheet is going to teach you how you can cut your laundry costs in about half. Anyway, that's what I did. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.